Welcome to Badgeskins. So here we'll be installing a third brake light tint for the FK8 Type R or the Gen Civic Sport hatch. As you can see from factory, the third brake light comes as a clear, so we offer a red and a smoke tint for this, and pretty well it looks like this. It comes with a bottom piece and a face piece. So what you want to do is start off by cleaning off your surface area, get all in the creases and everything like that the best you can to remove any dirt. Then you're going to wipe it nice and clean and dry with a microfiber cloth. So to start off, we're going to install the bottom piece here and then the face piece second. Very simple. We just remove the badgeskin from the backing, and pretty well what you're going to do is you're going to line up the top edge and the back edge together on the one end, and then once you do that, you're just kind of going to start walking it across the whole bottom side of the third brake light. So simply just align it up the best you can towards the back. You always get a little bit of an overlap towards the front edge, and what you want to do is that you want to start squeezing it down. Unfortunately, on this install I had a bit of a brain fart and I removed the masking first, but normally what I do is that I would squeegee it down with the masking on, because the masking provides a protection in case something happens, if the odd case that you may slip on your fingernail nicks the vinyl. But in the end, it worked out the same. Now, if you have an opportunity to, you can also use a squeegee here. We have them available on our website, and it's very simple that you can use these to just kind of tuck the edges and make sure that all the edges are adhered down, and it's very useful to have. So you can continue on and use that squeegee and kind of tuck those edges in. Don't be afraid to give it some pressure. As you can see, there's give on the spoiler here. So the second piece we're going to install is the face, and all you have to do is line it up, center it the best you can, make sure it's nice and even on each corner. Once you have it, just kind of start tacking it down and then squeegeeing it from top to bottom. You'll notice that there's a little bit of an overlap on the very top edge, but pretty well start squeegeeing it down, going over your previous stroke, and just work all the way towards the bottom of the third brake light. Once you've done that, you can remove the masking at 180 degrees from the adhere surface. And what we'll do is that we'll start working down the edges, and it provides a bit of an overlap over the bottom piece, so it makes it a nice clean look. Once you've completed that, you can take the squeegee again and just kind of tuck in any of the edges, especially on the top side there, just to make sure that we don't have any clear lens poking through. Don't be afraid to just get in between the spoiler and the third brake light to make sure that we get that nice fold of the vinyl into that crease. So just go over it, just make sure that you got everything down. What you want to do is, if you have a heat gun, you can go over the whole surface area of the install and just make sure that you activate the adhesive. If you do see any air bubbles, it's very simple. Just take a threading needle, poke a hole, and just apply a bit of heat mildly, and you'll see that you can squeegee down the bubble. And here you go. This is a great way to change the look of your third brake light. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.